Anybody got this? This is our 23.25 test, right? I said we could get a megaphone. If we do, we could take out the highs and we could take out the lows of the overnight range. And I said, once we start down this road, we never know how far it's going to go. But this is the range that we had that was yesterday's assumed target zone to put it in place for today. So once we get this kind of a swing backwards, we never know how far it's going to go. This is a great trade. And look for traders now to start to think about taking profits. And I said that the very first thing we would want to see, because this is a very steep channel, we would want to see in a megaphone pattern, which is like a Z pattern, whatever. First thing first, you got to break the low. Okay, that was our target line. See if we could get here. Fine, we're here. Come on now. Look for the rain line. If we can get to the rain line, fantastic. Anybody's looking at your spreadsheets, a reminder. We can go any distance we want. The 23.5 is an important level. My guess is that we've got a substantial portion of what we wanted already. Be very conservative. A lot of traders will be looking to start buying, I think, in the 22 zone. We had a big differential yesterday, about 10-point differential. So 2075, 21 area, beautiful place. And my suggestion is fumes. You know, I'm not thinking plunge. I'm thinking this was skin both sides. $21.88, $21.75 is the measured move. And quite truthfully, target achieved already. Anything this side of that, aggressive. So take profits. And I said part of this is the longs will want to take some profits. And they won't until you force them out. So early shorts get stopped out. And then I said the good possibility if we get the megaphone, Charlie says, I'm buying. Come on. It's just up, up, up. Now all of a sudden the pullback into this neighborhood creates the doubt. And now guess who is going to start to short? Everybody who missed the top up here. Now they're saying, okay, we got them now. JV team is on the field and they played like the varsity. This is a pullback. That's all it is. What did we say first, right? We looked over here. We said, let's keep this range in mind. Let's keep our 60 chart in mind. So you're going to have buyers coming in here now. And if you don't, then I'd be surprised. So take profits by that 21.75. No problem, Zeke. Well done. All right, we at least got the idea today that, you know what, they've already stolen the range, and this is evidently the range that needs to be retraded. All right, lock them up. And if you don't forget, today's Friday, it's 11 o'clock. All right, anybody that's got this 22, we can go to any low, but my belief is the best trades, short side and long side, are already done. Longs are guessing in here, and it's obviously a reasonable guess. We'd said if we got back to the 23 and a quarter, would make sense. And my guess is right now big support still at 19.5 area. All right, well done.